It's a wakey
Change
time.
nappy time.
Change nappy time.
Another scratch. Another day, another scratch.
You just scratch it.
Yeah. Nappy change time. Ollie's ready for his nappy changey. Smiley baby.
Alright. What do we got? Oh, not too bad.
Nothing?
Not too bad. Tiny bit of poop.
I like that. Happy? Happy boy. Oh, look at you. What are you looking at? Yay. Feel better. Boy? Who's your happy boy? I'm going to strap him in tightly. I'm massaging your cheeks. Wow, the spa treatment. There you go. Massage.
Just like, what the hell is going on?
Here it is.
Well, walking around. Hey, Basie, what you doing? You staring out the window? What's out the window, Bailey?
Air out your underarms.
Let's have a look. What's out the window?
Honey.
There's nothing out there, Bailey. Hey, what you looking at? What time is it?
Tummy time!
It's time for tummy time. Yes, it's tummy time. Yes, it's tummy time. It's tummy time.
Like whaley, whaley?
Tummy time. What are you doing?
That is Pinkle?
What are you doing, baby? You
Pinkle,
just
Pinkle.
jumped into his little jungle gym. It's not your
Oh.
jungle gym, Bailey.
Hello.
Not your jungle gym, mate. Okay, first coffee time. So he's finally asleep now. Or not. Did I just wake him up? Go back to sleep. And he's sleeping in the jungle gym while we make some breakfast. Lunch. Having bagels, salmon, avocado and cucumber bagels with some cream cheese.
I'm jam packing on the cream cheese because.
Because you're fatty.
Just because.
Featuring this doggy doggo. who always wants to come and eat our food. Isn't that right, Bailey? Isn't that right? You greedy dog? Huh?
A few moments later.
And this guy is back awake. Didn't even nap for long. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, guy? Hey?
Put your mittens on.
Give you the dummy to go back to sleep?
You've been scratching your face, have you? No more scratchy.
Look at that cry-baby face. Cry-baby.
Oh, it's okay, baby.
So we've had to put him into his room, turn the AC on, and he's still not sleeping.
Bedtime now. She's just laughing. Shh. I said shh.
Smiley,
What are you laughing at? It's bedtime, please. Shh. Don't laugh. It's bedtime now. Shh. Not photo time. You can stop your modelling. Shh. Shh. Every time I look at him, he's like, oh, I'm ready to strike a pose. Oh. Shh. It's bedtime now, Ollie. Come on.
He's looking straight at the camera. Look at him.
Shh. Come on. Yeah, you're tired, aren't you? Yeah. Boy that doesn't want to sleep.
The boy that doesn't want to sleep. We're putting him in the carrier now, so that might help him sleep.
You will sleep, buddy. Yes, you will. Oh my God. Can you not? Ollie, stop it.
One eternity later.
He's finally asleep. And now we can get on with the rest of our day. Do some chores and laundry. Come on, bub. Stay asleep for at least an hour, please. 45 minutes later. This guy is awake again. Time for your feed.
Usually he feeds for about, I don't know, like 7 minutes one side, 7 minutes other side.
Oh yeah.
But the whole process still takes quite a while.
And then what do you do after you finish feeding him?
Oh, we play.
You burp
Don't we,
him.
baby?
You burp him. You change the nappy,
Oh, yeah.
and then you play and do tummy time. It's like a full-time job, man.
Yep. And then we do it all over again. It's feed, play, sleep. And then the cycle continues. Doesn't it, baby? Snowflake? Snowflake? Is this a snowflake, Bailey? Bailey's not very interested in black and white prints. Yeah, you can have this thing. You're interested in this thing? You just want to sit with Ollie, Polly? How are you even comfortable? Here, snowflake. Snowflake for you. Snowflake for you. Snowflake. And what's this? Checkers! Ollie's favourite. Checkers! Yes. Yeah, checkers. Here you go. Checkers. Belly. Checkers. Checkers for you.
Off to IKEA
IKEA.
to get some stuff.
Still asleep. Trying not to wake him. Secure, baby. Strappy strap. So we're off to IKEA. It's 4 o'clock now. Ollie's had his third feed for the day. Had it at like 2 o'clock, so we need to get home in like 2 hours. And he's sort of been playing. He's been up playing, did some tummy time, and then he's kind of like pretty much due for a nap. So he was napping in my arms, and then I put him down and He's awake now. Yep. You can see Ollie. Hi, Ollie Tommy. So yeah, so we're going to IKEA just for like one item. Yeah, so we've waited like so long, like 2 months or something, because we got one shelf and we need another shelf, and we haven't put up the first shelf until we get the second one. And while we're at IKEA, is there anything else we need? Can you say something else?
Might have a look at the ergonomic office chairs.
Oh yeah, that's right. And maybe we'll look at some toys for Ollie. Ha ha ha.
You're waiting patiently, mate.
Waiting patiently. Come on, we go shopping? Shopping time for you.
Getting a boost juice?
Yes, getting the green tea mango mantra.
Oh yeah? Boost juice before going to IKEA?
And have a look around, there's like so many people. It's crazy. Look at the line.
People around everywhere. Oh, he's chilling in there?
Notice.
Chilling? Like a villain?
Excuse me. I didn't notice, but the line like snakes around at the waiting bay.
So we found the shelf that we're looking for. Yeah, it's this one. Black one. It's floating, just like this white one. So we'll get 2 of these, and then we'll put them up. One here, like one up there, next to our TV.
This one's pretty cool. It's floating and it's got drawers.
It's a bit weird though. So
there's these ones, but they've all got.
found what we got.
What are these things called?
Oh, cool. It leans back. Like
So we came to IKEA. The other thing we wanted was a ergonomic chair.
Yeah, this chair's pretty cool because you can recline all the way back, and then you can like fix it and go.
Oh yeah, that's a good breastfeeding chair.
Can I go halfway? Oh, I can go halfway too. Not too bad. Got a bit of a headrest up here as well.
How much is this chair?
I think it's 250.
Oh, that's pretty cheap. Actually, that's really cheap for an ergonomic chair.
I don't know if it's ergonomic though. I have to see if the back is. Yeah, the lumbar thing doesn't. Oh, it's got a lumbar thing right here, but I don't know if it's. I don't know if you can actually adjust it.
Any other ones you're considering? Or just this one?
What is this one here? Oh no, it's not this one. I think it's one over there.
Oh, okay, we can go over there and look. We also tried this one that you didn't like, no armrest. This one?
Yep.
Are they the same?
Oh no, I think it's different. This one, the seat's not as big. Oh yeah, the seat's like way small, and the armrests aren't as good.
Are they the armrests adjustable?
No, they're not.
Alright, so we'll just keep testing the chairs.
Yep. Alright, so we're back from IKEA, and we've just fed Ollie, so he's chilling out here in the bouncer. And then it's nearly 7 o'clock now, so we're getting pretty hungry. And
Yeah, actually.
So we're making bangers and mash. So we've got the, what is it, Louisiana style pork sausages here. Got some mashed potatoes here, which we're going to boil and mash.
And then Ollie over there.
Got Ollie there chilling, and then we've got some broccoli, which will
Maybe we'll just steam it.
steam it, make it simple, easy to make. Whatever's easy, whatever's good. We also got our IKEA shelves down here. We got one before, and we put it up, and we thought it was a bit too small. So we got 2, and we're gonna put them like on top of each other. So we've got 2 here, and we're gonna put it up on the wall there. So one there and one there, sort of like staggered. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Just got to get the bolts for that at Bunnings, and then we should be able to put it up. Now Bailey wants to go out as well.
Come on. Now it's tummy time. It's tummy time. Hi, Bailey. Bailey. Can you encourage Ollie for some tummy time? Ollie, come on. That's right. Tell him to get up. Say, get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Somebody's been very lazy with your tummy time today, haven't you? Haven't you? Whoa, there you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Whoa. Ollie Polly.
Alright, so we got Mummy here looking after Baby Ollie. Doing some tummy time with him before. We just finished up. And I've been here cooking up whatever we have. So it's probably just going to be a pretty bland, basic meal, but ain't nobody got time these days to cook like a full-on meal, right? So whatever time we have, we'll just make it an easy meal. Alright, I'm hungry as, looking forward to eating. Mashed potato. The secret ingredient that Helen puts in is mayonnaise. We put in butter, put in some milk, some pepper, and just mash it until it's nice and silky like that. Fogging up the lens. It's that good. Alright, we finally finished cooking. What do we got? We've just got some boiled broccoli with some sesame.
Seasoned it, yeah.
Dressed it with some sesame oil and some pepper. Got some pretty good mashed potato, mayo mash, and just some sausages from Coles. So that's our quick and easy meal tonight. Should have enough leftovers for tomorrow as well. So yeah, dig in. We've got this healthy ass dog who likes eating broccoli.
Yeah, so weird.
She's so weird.
Yeah.
Just sitting here waiting for some broccoli. Look at that, she's going nuts for that broccoli. Do you like broccoli, Bailey? Do you like broccoli, Bailey?
What is so good about this?
Yum yum broccoli. You weird dog.
Maybe because it's just from our table.
Yeah, she likes anything that's from our table. Always sitting there waiting patiently for food. Actually, not even patiently, she always jumps on our leg, begging for food. You scavenger dog, you. Huh? Are you a scavenger dog? Now we're baking some cookies. Helen made these herself. What are they? Snicker cookies, right? We've got Snicker chocolates in them. Snicker cookies. So after a long ass day, he's finally asleep. You had to carry him in this carrier for a long time. He woke up a few times after you put him down in bed, gave him the dummy, and he was just being a handful for you. And
being a bitch.
Yep, being a bitch. And after what, a couple of hours, he's finally asleep. Hopefully he sleeps a bit longer. But then he's due for a feed.
He's due for a feed,
like in 15. Oh, there he is. Speak of the devil. This guy, just talking about him.
Oh, wait. Oh, just turn the light on.
No, he's still asleep. Come on, stay asleep. Stay asleep.
Oh, I thought I heard a noise.
Yeah, you did. No, he's up.
No, he's not. No, he's not. No, he's not. The dummy's still in the mouth.
Time for our next feed then. Alright.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock?
10 p.m. feed. Yep, last feed for the day.
Last feed for the day before he goes and has his final rest. Hopefully he sleeps for, a good 6-7 hours hopefully until the next feed.
Yeah, maybe 7, 8 maybe.
Yeah, we'll see how we go.
Yep.
But that's our day for today.
Yep.
Alright.
Good night. Ollie, say good night.
Good night all. Signing off. Peace out. A-Town. Down. Do-do, 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 do-do.